Hi, this is Danica.
And this is Miggy.
Welcome to our send-off party / pregame / despedida de soltera.
We're so glad you're here to celebrate with us, and we hope you enjoy the night. Please leave us a message after the beep.
Hi, Danica and Miggy. Congratulations. This is from Tita Eileen and Tito Colin. We only wish you the very best because the two of you deserve nothing less. So we'll keep in touch. Hopefully next time we get to attend your baby shower. Congratulations and good luck.
Hello, this is Bon. Biru, 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 biru. Congratulations. See you soon. Bye.
Hi. Hi, Danica. Hi, Miggy. Wow, this is now Despedida de Soltera, huh? Well, anyway, hope that you'll have the best celebration. And I wish you all the luck, good, lots of happiness and prosperity. And, well, now you're going to be together. Enjoy your life for better or worse. And welcome to the gang, Miggy. We're a big family, so we hope to see you most of the outies and get together of the business group. Danica, no wonder you did not go to Korea. But anyway, so nice to see you. Grabe ha, tinago mo na matagal si Miggy sa amin. Na-shock ako no sinabing you're getting married. Sabi ko, I never saw her with a boyfriend. Anyway, enjoy, and God bless both of you. Best wishes from Tito George and Tita Toots. Congratulations.
Hi, Uncle Miggy. Hi, Auntie Danica. It's James. It's Maya. We love you.
Hey, Miggy, Dandan, congrats. Looking forward to your forever. Thank you for inviting us. Peace out. Abet.
Hello, this is Annie. The message I want, and Melvin. So the message we want to leave you is always be best friends, be each other's confidant, and we're really happy that you guys got together, and we can't wait for your special day.
Congratulations.
So we're happy to see you both married, to more dinner soon.
Hello, Danica. Hello, Arce. Special message. Pag kinasal na kayo, bawal na magmotor si Arce. Yun lang naman. Congratulations.
Good evening, Dr. Danica. This is Dr. Emmanuel D. De La Cruz, respectfully referring patient Miggy Arce, 36 years old. I just want to say congratulations, guys. I have witnessed your love story since we were in high school. Charing! Yun lang. Congrats, guys. Love you. Thank you for the invite. Mwah, mwah.
Hi, Dad. It's your internship group mates. We love you. Hi, Dan. Congratulations. We're so happy for you and we love you.
Hi, Dandan. Kilala mo ba sino ako? Thank you for the invite. And here's to a life full of love and children. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, moms. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. I hope you and you will have a great time together. And yeah, so congrats again.
Hi, Danik. Hi, Miggy. Ang cute-cute naman ito. Pag kinasal ako, susundin ko to. I'm wishing you all the best. Okay. Congratulations and best wishes. God bless you both. Bye. Mwah.